Hello guys, welcome to my channel, Kinabuhing America Vlog. For today's video, I would like to share with you my bird nest fern. And I almost lost this indoor plants, guys, because I forgot to water this one for so many weeks. And when I noticed, it's dried out. So the other day, I water it and today I look at and it's back to normal, guys. So I'm very happy that my fern is back to normal. I thought it's not gonna survive anymore because of the leaf is dried out. So look at, it's back to normal. I am very happy that it's back to normal. Guys, thank you for watching.